How do you benefit from composting? The benefits of composting. Besides a free and nutrient-rich fertilizer for your soil and plants, there are many other benefits to starting a compost in your yard. A few of the benefits of composting are listed below. 1. You can reduce or eliminate weeds in your garden by using compost, as it prevents weed seeds from sprouting and prospering. This is a natural alternative to pesticides. 2. Mature compost material has been used to stop or prevent erosion in certain areas. The binding capability in the compost can keep the soil in place and prevent dangerous drop-offs. 3. Reducing the amount of organic material that goes to a dump unnecessarily. In turn, this reduces the amount of methane gas a dump creates during decomposition. 4. In wetlands areas that are in trouble, compost has been used to revitalize the soil and surrounding plant life. 5. Healthier plants. Compost material can prevent your plants from contracting diseases that kill or spread to the rest of the crop or garden. 6. Can create a stable and healthier pH balance in your soil. 7. If your soil is overly dry, sandy, adding compost to the soil and thoroughly mixing can help the sandy dirt retain more water, keeping it moist. 8. If your soil is clay-like, you can make the dirt easier to work with and less dense by adding mature compost. 9. Provides important nutrients and micronutrients to the soil and plants. 10. Increases the temperature of the soil, creating a conducive environment for plant growth and health. This is just a few of the important benefits that can be derived from using compost. It helps the environment, your garden, your plants, and the planet. The small amount of time that it takes to set up and maintain a compost bin or pile is well worth the time and effort. And this is all about how do you benefit from composting. Now you just have to put these tips into practice. It's your turn.